us as Amazon service providers and stuff, we complicate the whole entire marketing funnel too much. There's like advertising, there's organic, there's click-through rate, there's conversion rate, there's images, and everything's so spatialed out. But in regular digital marketing, there's like three things. It's advertising, search, and it's like conversion rate optimization. Because individuals in the space, we complicate it too much and we need to simplify it. And I'm going to push that.
I think people should simplify because it makes it easier to understand. I don't think more jargon is better. People want to sound smart.
Yeah.
Let it pull you